Greetings. Today's video consists of 7 separate videos, all of which are silent for some weird reason, except for one right in the middle. So you mostly get to hear a lot of nothing when you're looking at the progress video on the bike we worked on today. I've got to figure out just what happened. I'm sure it has something to do with my new fancy dancy microphone that I just bought and am probably using wrong. Anyway, so we'll get over there. This is the office where I do all my work, and that's my grandparents' Victrola, wind-up Victrola. That's the Starship Enterprise. That's the first computer system that I ever developed as project manager, and it took satellite telemetry from an Earth's Resources Technology satellite, ERTS, which was later named Landsat, and that was the prototype system that processed the data from that satellite when I was working at NASA. Let's see over here. If that was my first project as manager, and this is my last project as manager. Over here, it's the Joint Star System, Air Force Army system. This is the ground station that processed the data from the aircraft. And if I zoom in on here, you'll see yours truly sitting on the tailgate of that 5-ton truck that has our computer system inside, processing the data from the aircraft. That system actually went to war in Desert Storm. These are all the pins that my wife and I collected as we transported our way across the United States, hitting all 48 states plus Hawaii. Souvenir buttons and pins. And let's see, here's my book. I wrote that back in the 1990s. That's still available. Go to Amazon, you can get a copy. One of my more favorite sayings. And another of my favorite sayings. Anyway, and coming around here, I've been to Sturgis a couple of times. That's me doing a tandem jump out of a perfectly good airplane. Me standing next to my brother on his chopper. And down here, Thud. That's the airplane I worked on in the Air Force. F-105 Thunder Chief. Also called Thud because of the sound it made when it landed. Thud. Anyway, so that's the nerve center of our little enterprise here. And the sole purpose of this introduction is to explain why most of the movie that you're about to see is silent. Don't know why, but that's just the case. There's me and my bike. Boot Hill in Tombstone. Anyway, enough of that hilarity. Good old security system. All right, here comes the progress today. The bike is not as complete as it looks. The seat is just sitting on it, and have to order a couple more parts, so it's off to the side right now. And oh, there's my RV. My wife and I did a lot of states in my other RV. Bought one, and we got the other one. A lot of miles in RVs. So anyway, that's enough. We'll get to the movies now. Sorry about the volume. Sorry about the audio. I'll try to do better. Okay, so unveiling it was the good news. Now, I hate to tell you this, there is some bad news, and I don't know what to do about it. Right there. There's a ding in that beautiful, beautiful paint. Oh my goodness. And we didn't do it, seriously. Actually, I'm glad I videotaped that unwrapping. But look at that. It's taken a ding sometime in its storage years. Hard enough to go through all that wrapping. What a shame.